In the first 2 days of May, Ukraine's unmanned systems forces struck with precision, destroying 2 Russian air defense systems, a Pantsir I and a Tor missile system, along with 2 P-18 radar stations across Donetsk, Zaporizhzhia, and Luhansk. This achievement follows the destruction of 38 units in April, marking a relentless campaign that has opened corridors for deeper Ukrainian strikes against Russia's oil and defense industries. For seasoned observers, these events reveal not just battlefield victories, but a shocking shift in modern warfare, where unmanned systems are rewriting the rules and leaving Russia exposed. By early May 2026, Ukraine had significantly weakened Russia's air defenses. Reports indicate that since the war began in February 2022, at least 1,361 air defense systems have been destroyed, with 38 more systems and radars eliminated in April alone. Russia relies on a layered network of missile defenses. Long-range systems like the S-300 and S-400 designed to detect and strike targets from afar, medium-range systems such as the Buk and Pantsir I, and short-range systems like the Tor missile system to protect critical assets from drones and missiles that penetrate deeper into its defenses. In practice, however, this coverage is uneven. Russia's defenses are spread across vast territory and concentrated around high-value sites, leaving gaps in the network. Ukraine has exploited these weaknesses by targeting key assets such as radars and interceptors, disrupting the cohesion of Russia's air defense grid. The destruction of these systems has opened pathways for Ukrainian forces to strike valuable Russian assets, including oil refineries and energy infrastructure, deep inside occupied territory and even within Russia itself. These strikes against Russia's critical infrastructure are essential to Ukraine's broader strategy of inflicting heavier costs on Moscow's war effort. Each attack carries a dual effect, weakening the infrastructure that sustains Russia's military operations, while forcing Moscow to stretch its defenses across more territory. Yet achieving these objectives requires penetrating Russia's layered and integrated air defense network, a system that spans thousands of kilometers. Ukraine's success in doing so underscores both its tactical ingenuity and the growing vulnerability of Russia's once formidable defenses. The destruction of Russian air defense assets is not only a tactical victory, but also a financial disaster for Moscow. A single Pantsir I system carries an estimated price tag of $13 to $15 million, while the Tor missile system costs around $25 million per unit. Even the older P-18 radar, though far cheaper at roughly $1 to $2 million, remains strategically vital as an early warning platform. When Ukraine's unmanned systems eliminate these assets, the losses are measured not just in hardware, but in millions of dollars erased in seconds, a staggering imbalance when compared to the $500 FPV drones that deliver the strike. The Pantsir I is designed as a hybrid defense platform, combining radar, surface-to-air missiles, and rapid-fire cannons to intercept drones, cruise missiles, and low-flying aircraft. It is meant to shield high-value targets and reinforce long-range systems like the S-300 and S-400. The Tor missile system, on the other hand, is a short-range interceptor specialized in shooting down precision weapons, drones, and aircraft at low altitude. Together, these systems form the backbone of Russia's layered defense network, intended to close gaps and protect critical infrastructure. Yet Ukraine's strikes have repeatedly dismantled this backbone, exposing vulnerabilities that Russia cannot easily repair. For Ukraine, each successful attack carries a dual impact, removing expensive and sophisticated defenses while opening corridors for deeper strikes against oil refineries, energy facilities, and military industry. These victories highlight the imbalance of modern warfare, where cheap, agile drones can dismantle multi-million-dollar systems designed to stop them. Russia's reliance on Pantsir batteries, Tor interceptors, and P-18 radars has proven insufficient against Ukraine's innovation, forcing Moscow to stretch its defenses across thousands of kilometers. The result is a war machine bleeding resources, unable to shield its most valuable assets from weapons that cost less than a household appliance. Ukraine's relentless use of cheap FPV drones against Russia's multi-million-dollar air defense systems has revealed a brutal truth of modern warfare. Cost no longer defines power. The destruction of Pantsir I batteries, Tor missile systems, and P-18 radars shows how innovation and adaptability can dismantle even the most expensive defenses. For Russia, each loss is not just a hole in its shield, but a symbol of vulnerability in a war it cannot afford to lose. For the world, the lesson is clear: the future of combat belongs to those who can outthink and outadapt, not those who simply outspend.